What is crackin', peeps? Welcome back to another episode of Humbug Outdoors Fishing. It's your boy C. Smith here, and today we've got an awesome little video for you guys. I have compiled all of my underwater bed footage for this year so far, put them all into this video, and I think, you guys would really like this kind of stuff because it's fun to look, and see how these fish react to different baits and, different spots on their bed and what happens when you hit them, with the jig. And, it's really good to, I look back on this footage all the time and study it and see what I could have done better, for the next time. If there's a better spot I could have, hooked the fish, or, if I could have caught him faster. So it's a really cool thing to go back and look at this footage, and I figured you guys would like to see it too. So without further ado, let's get into it. Hope you guys enjoy the video. Alright, that wraps up the video. If you guys liked it, please make sure to give it a like, comment, subscribe, share, do all that stuff you're supposed to do for a YouTube video. And yeah, if you guys want more of this, let me know in the comments below. And we will see you guys next time on Humbug Outdoors Fishing.